Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting audio and workspace ready. Put on closed-back headphones. Clarity matters because you will transcribe faster with fewer replays. Once done, open your editor and load the file. Make a first pass at 0.51, 0x speed to catch obvious phrases. Make sure to save with a clear name and enable autosave or manual backups every 15 minutes. This prevents lost work and gives you a stable starting point for the detailed pass coming next. You now work through the audio in manageable chunks. Slow playback to 0.9x or use short 30-60 second segments and rely on hotkeys to rewind 3-5 seconds. This keeps flow without losing context. Transcribe spoken words verbatim for accuracy and insert timestamps every 30-60 seconds or when speakers change. When a word is unclear, flag it with brackets or a timestamp so you can return. Once complete, do a focused pass to improve punctuation and speaker labels before final cleanup. You finish by proofreading and exporting. Read the transcript aloud to catch flow problems, correct punctuation, and ensure speaker labels are consistent, then export to the required format like TXT, DocX, or SRT. Make sure timestamps match the final audio. If you hit background noise or dropped words, apply noise reduction, try an alternate audio pass, or ask for a cleaner recording. That troubleshooting tip will save time. When quality is low, improving the source is often faster than endless guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.